All right, Justin with his first steelhead. Here we go. Justin, look over here. Take your hood down, buddy. Let's tip up, tip up, tip up.
You don't need it real fast. You want it real fast. Slow and steady,
Okay,
right?
walk down toward this way. Walk down. Tip up, dude. Tip up. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you gotta have tip up, tip up. Don't point the rod toward him. Tip up. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Tip up. Keep it tip up. Keep the tip up.
There you go.
Yeah.
Put that back down real quick.
Reel him in. Okay, walk over toward Andrew. And then get into that shallow part. Tip up. Keep that tip up. Tip up. There you go. Yeah, don't point the rod tip toward him.
Walk backwards, slowly walk backwards.
Is it a native or a hatchery? All right, have him hold it up. Take your gloves off. Hold it up so I can. Okay, watch the rod because it's on the ground, guys. Hey, Mike, the rod's right behind you. Hold on. Let's get that rod.
I see it.
Put your finger, here you go. Yeah.
Is it bright?
Yeah, it is bright.
Hatchery?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice fish.
Ooh, that's a nice fish for here this lake.
That is a nice. That's a nice one.
Awesome.
Hey, look up here. Right
That's
here.
a bright one.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. Winter steelhead. Run, run.
1, 2.
Partner's waiting.
All right.
Nice job.
Got pictures.
There you go, buddy.
Done.
Good job, man. Good job.
Yeah.
Upgrade.